Hello family, so today I'm coming to you with another unedited video, but a tip to do some kind of DIY or how to in your home. Why? Because I can tell you that these, what you're looking at, this is a mirror and it goes in my room. I had these on command hooks, but for some reason, I will admit, these did not stay up, which is weird because they're much lighter than my mirrors that were gold that I put up with command strips. Those things are still sitting there. They're not moving at all. But these ones, these command strips I got from Target, from some reason, my husband's mirror fell and then this mirror fell. So when that one falls again, because I used the last command strips to put his down because his back up because his fell first. When that one falls again, I'm going to be doing what I'm showing you right now, which is a lifesaver, because those right there, I don't know about you, but it is so hard to get these lined up perfectly on your wall and put the actual nails or hooks in those. So this is my trick to doing it without having to line those up. I get the nail kit. It's called Doorman from Walmart. And in this nail kit comes different hooks for hanging pictures, the rope for hanging pictures. Now, usually I would take this rope, this here, and then I would wind it in between each of those hooks, each of these hooks here really tightly, and then just put a nail in the middle of the wall, hang it up. But I want it to be a little bit more flush, so I'm going to go with this. So what I'm going to do, and what you're going to need, is a drill bit. So I have my drill bit that I put in, and this is a set of drill bits that I have. I have lots of drill bits, but this is one I invested in because I figure I need to really have these because I do so many DIYs and building stuff. So I have these drill bits here, and this is the case, and I'm using a 1/16, which is the smallest one, because I want to place this down after I measure it to see where the halfway point is, and make little mini holes like this inside of each side, and then put the screws in. That is some screws in here, or either nails. They're little nails, so I'm not going to go too deep with this. I just need this to go in just enough so when I tap the nail in, it doesn't break this, because this is not really wood. It's like a faux wood. So you guys are going to see me do that, and then and I'll show you how I hang it up. Very simple. So this particular piece, let me move my chair, is exactly 17 inches. So there we go. So that would mean 8.5 inches is where I need this bad boy to set, which looks like it's off. Yeah, 8.5 would be half of 17. Let me make sure this is right. Yes, that's, nope, it's not 17. It's a little less, a little over 17. So a 17 and I'll say a quarter. So 17 and a quarter, which will give me 8 and 3. What is that? If it's 17 and a quarter, half a half. Yeah, 3/8. About 8 and 3/8. So yeah, let's see how this is going to work for us. I'm going to play by ear, play by eyesight, and kind of put it where I think the halfway point is, which is, I think it's like right here. So let's see. And what I always do is just measure each side of it and see if the sides are even. If they're even, then I'll go with it on both sides. So if they're like right where, so we go here. Nope, so we need to go this way. No, go this way a little bit. About here. So let's see. Right there is 8. So it's going to be 7. Then on this side, we're going to go here. Why is this looking so weird to me, y'all? It's looking like it's in the middle, but when I'm measuring, it's not looking that way. Hold on. Okay, guys, I think I got the middle spot. So then when you get your middle spot, you want to see the middle one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that means this middle gash in between the 2 knots is where you want this to line up at. So that'll be like right there. And then that's where you take and you put your little bit of pressure, just a little bit, because that's a nail that you just got to bang in. Just a little bit, because we don't want the nail to have a problem getting in. And I think I went too deep on this one. We shall see. We shall see. These nails are so freaking little. Like little. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work. Let me see. So, guys, the reason it didn't work, and you see I didn't even hardly go in much with my drill bit at all. It didn't work because the bad boy is hollow. So, I have to go back to my trusty old wire. So, that was one way. So, basically what I would have done if this was solid was screw this on here. Once I screw this on here, put a nail in the wall, and the nail would nicely set into that groove, and it'll be on the wall. But this is hollow, so that's not going to work. So with this, basically all you need is some scissors. So you get the scissors, but before you cut, this is what I like to do. I like to take it, put it around, and loop it around as much as you can around itself. As many times as you can. This is not really, oh, ow, it's not really heavy. So you don't need a whole bunch, or you don't need to double it. Some people like to double it. So you have it, and see, it's not moving. That's not moving. That is not moving. So now I'm going to go over into this side, and I'm going to kind of cut where I think will be a good, right there. Regular scissors, nothing special. And I'm going to go in. I want this to be tight because I want that nail to just grab it and keep it right there on the wall. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to loop it around itself like so. And that is it. Then you can take it to your desired spot and hang her up. So let's go hang her up. I'm going to change out this drill bit, which is the 1/16. I'm going to change that out, and I'm going to go with a little bit bigger because we're going to be putting a screw in the wall. And hopefully this works because I don't want to put an anchor in the wall. That means I have to go downstairs. So here's the screw I'm going to use. And I'm going to go with, let's go with this bad boy here, which is a 7/64. We're going to go with that. And I'm going to put that in my drill and go upstairs and hang up this picture. Well, mirror. Don't need to do a lot. And then we're going to screw the screw in. So now I went and got my, my drill bit. This is it. My DeWalt drill bit. And I'm going to stick that in. Let me bring it down some. Stick that inside my drill. And tighten it. Make sure it's straight, else you're going to have a lopsided. It's going to go lopsided. Alright. So now, I'm going to put my screw in to the wall, but not all the way. See that? Just enough where it can grab the back of the mirror. And let's see if we did a good job. Or else I'm going to scream. So I'm going to do a sideways. Like that. Bam! We did it! Oh, sorry guys. We did it, but that's my mirror. And I am chillaxing. Everybody is gone. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them below. I got to put my lamp and stuff back on my nightstand. This is my nightstand. So yeah. So I got to put my lamp and stuff back. But you guys see me in my raw and uncut self. Alright, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you share it. And I will be doing my best to get more videos like this to you guys, because I know as women, sometimes it can be very frustrating when you're trying to do stuff in the house. It can be very frustrating. So I want to share tips and ways to make it easier. Don't be afraid of tools, ladies. We got this. All right, y'all. Later. So I just wanted to share with y'all. Y'all see this bowl? Tell me this is not cool. I love organic looking stuff. So I just got tweezers and a nail clipper and a, see how little this is? Y'all, this is a flashlight and it's so bright. So I keep that there. I usually have my pearl earrings, these earrings, and these earrings I got from Niagara Falls. Like if I just want to throw on a pair of just chill earrings there. And that's normally what's on my nightstand other than my glasses and my clock, which I need to charge. These were given to us. We all got one. They're alarm clocks. They're really nice. When you turn them over, they turn into lamps, but it needs to be charged, so I got to charge that. But yeah, guys, I love the look of the different pretty woods and stuff like that. So if you're new to my channel, I am a DIY girl. I do all types of stuff. I'm an interior designer, all that great stuff. But I'm always sharing tips on how you can save money and do things yourself. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you share the video, and I will talk to you guys later, gators.